Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show a common problem with Mercedes, and that's not only with the SUVs ML, it's with regular ones, W203, 163, 164, all of them that are equipped with the optic cable. And stay with us to see how we're going to fix that problem. No sound coming out of the radio no matter what you do. So stay with us and we're going to show you what's causing it and how to fix it. Okay, this radio right here, that's 2003 model with the optic cable, and the radio functions good, but there is no sound coming out of it. No matter what you do, you turn it on, you turn it off, there is no sound, as you can see. And if you try to go to CD changer, it says no CD player installed, no phone installed, and tell 8 please visit workshop. So something's wrong here, guys. It could be the optic cable, or it could be the radio itself. We have the video on our channel how to diagnose the whole system and to see where exactly the problem is, but today we're going to show you if the problem is in the radio. So you can find the other video on our channel as well. And what you need to do, you will need to remove the radio in order to see if the actual problem is in the unit itself, or it's somewhere in the CD changer, in the amp, or in the tele 8. Because if one of them doesn't work, nothing works. They're connected in sequence, so if one burns, you don't get anything. And you need to remove the radio now. We have the tools on our... Okay, you can see you can get them on eBay for about less than $2, and it's super simple to remove it now. And this is the radio unit right here, guys. You have the wires on the back, that's the optic cable right here, so you need to press down on this one right here. Okay, press down and pull like that. And now when you turn the radio on, you should be able to see the red light right there blinking from the optic plug there 4 times. If it doesn't blink at all when you turn on and off the radio, then most likely the problem is in the unit, and you will show you now how to fix it instead of buying another unit for $1,000 or send this one to get repaired for almost $300. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that. Okay guys, we took the radio apart. As you can see, this is the screen right here. You're going to figure it out how to take it apart if you want to do the repair, because most Mercedes radios, they're different. This one we're demonstrating on W163. But as you can see, okay, the optic cable, let me show you, it's right here on this model, right there, and it's on the very bottom circuit board right here, so that's towards the very bottom. And now there is a metal cover right here holding that, preventing dust and components getting inside the chip right there. So you need to desolder that one right here. There is 1, 2 and 3. Heat them up with a soldering gun and you'll be able to remove it. Okay, just like that. And now let me show you what goes bad on it. It's that chip right here. We already removed it. We desoldered it. This one right here. Okay, you can see where the optic cable is, and you can see that chip right here. That's the one that goes bad. And if you desolder that one and you remove it, you need to replace it with a new one. You can get it on eBay, they sell them brand new from China, but it's still the same chip, the same brand, and it's one of them is only $6.20-30. If you buy 10 of them, they're like less than $3 a piece. Okay, right here, it's hard to show you guys the number. I'll have it in the description below so you can see which one it is. Okay, as you can see right here, OCC. Okay, it's actually, yeah, OCC 8001-02 and 01, I think they're interchangeable. There is 2 kinds. And what you need to do, just put it back together. Okay, you need to solder it There is a few videos online to show you how to do that, and it's not very complicated as you think. And after that, stay with us to see after we put it together if it's going to work and if we fix the problem for only less than $7. Okay guys, we put it together and now let's demonstrate and see if we have a red light blinking. It should blink 4 times if it works good. So we turn the radio on right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that should be perfect now guys. Okay, let's see now if we install the little wire now, the optic cable, and you need to push it in. Okay, let's see now. If we turn it on, we should have sound. Okay, the moment of the truth. Yep. So that's how it is guys, only like that, $6, and you can fix it yourself if you want to spend the time to take it apart. It took us about 2.5–3 hours to do the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching, don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.